This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Maggi Goreng.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
It's basically a Maggi instant noodle dish fried with eggs, meat and vegetables. At home, this dish is mainly used to clear the leftovers in the fridge. We start with 2 packets of Maggi instant noodles. Traditionally, this dish is made with curry flavoured instant noodles. But if you don't like it spicy, you can use chicken or mushroom flavours instead. Remove the seasoning packs and soak the noodles in hot water for a few minutes till it softens. Do not use cup noodles as the seasoning is already mixed in with the noodles. In a wok, over medium heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry 2 cloves of chopped garlic and about twice the amount of sliced onions. Now add in 2 eggs. From here, anything goes. For the protein, I'm using last night's chicken adobo, which I've shredded here. If you're using raw meat here, cook it a little longer till the meat is cooked through. For the vegetables, I have some choy sum and cabbage. Add in the noodles. Now season it with 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of ketchup manis, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 packet of Maggi instant noodle seasoning. Not 2, 1. If you do not have ketchup manis, substitute with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and half a teaspoon of sugar. Maggi Goreng, a great way to use leftovers. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.